Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp sent but not delivered. So what I mean by that is when you send a message for someone, for example this hello, and you see only one tick next to your message, next to the sending time of the message, and that one tick is not blue, it's gray. So that means that the message is sent but not delivered. So first of all, let's talk about the possible reasons of this. The first reason is that the person that you send the message to is not connected to internet, because in that case that person don't or can't receive your message in that time, so your message is sent already, it's out from your phone, but at the same time it was not delivered to that person, so he didn't receive it yet. The second possible reason for that thing to happen is that the other person blocked you. So if someone block you on WhatsApp, you can still send messages to them, but the message will be sent but not delivered. So the message will be sent from your phone, but it will not arrive to the other person. And to know that, you have to check the picture of the other person, of course, if he have a picture on WhatsApp, or you used to see his or her picture on WhatsApp. So if that picture disappeared and at the same time your messages to that person are sent but not delivered, there is big possibility like that person has blocked you on WhatsApp. Another reason for that are the glitches that happen sometimes on WhatsApp. But in general, those glitches stay maybe maximum for 1 hour, and they happen very rarely, like maybe one time in every 1 year or 1.5 years. So there is very small possibility for a glitch. Another thing that you can do is to check if there is some updates for WhatsApp. Like go to the App Store and go to look for WhatsApp and check if there is WhatsApp. So for example, as you can see, I should update the WhatsApp app on my phone, because sometimes when WhatsApp is outdated, you may have like problems like that. And those are the things that you can do to understand why your WhatsApp messages are sent but not delivered. So like we said, first of all, the other person may not be connected to the internet, so he should be connected to internet. The second one, the other person blocked you, so he should unblock you. And the third one is to check WhatsApp updates. I hope that you liked this video, and I hope that this video was useful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like the video, and see you in the next one.